Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and today I wanted to ask you all, what is your everyday silver piece? What piece of silver do you carry or do you leave on your desk? The piece of silver you're not afraid to get nicked up, scuffed up, scratched up, show your friends or family, and carry around. This is my A-Mark bar that I like to carry around. So I like to carry around this one, this scruffy looking one, as you could tell, but I'll show you one in a better condition, not that much better. But just to show you what it looks like. So this is from A-Mark Precious Metals. They're one of the largest distributors of bullion in the world. So we have the A-Mark logo, and repeating in the background, 1 ounce Troy, pure 999 A-Mark. Looks pretty good. Make sure that's in focus. Getting a little shaky here. It has this really cool shape. It's like a trapezoid, I guess. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. On the back, 1 ounce Troy, 31.1 grams, pure silver. Assay. I know how to say it now, thanks to you all. And 1981 at the bottom. Really nice. I like how it looks a little like it's smushed at the top here, and even on the bottom a little bit. Yeah, one of my favorite pieces. I like to carry this around just because it's very compact, you can see. It's like the size of the tip of my thumb. It's really compact. I can hold it. I can show it off to someone. This is the real live one that I like to carry around. So you ever see some guy playing with a little piece of silver, waiting for some food? That's me. A cool fun fact about A-Mark is back in 2014, they were able to make and sell coins that were salvaged from silver found in a shipwreck. I think it was a British ship called the SS Gersapa. I think 198 tons of silver was found on that ship. It was back in World War II. It was torpedoed. But they found the ship in 2011, and the Royal Mint allowed A-Mark to be one of the bullion distributors to not only make but distribute coins made out of the silver found on the shipwreck. So that was pretty cool. Just want to drop that little tidbit of information. So let me know in the comments what your everyday piece is, if you do have one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to hold you for too much longer. I'm Southside Stacker. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So earlier I was looking up information about A-Mark, just to see if I could add any cool information, especially about the torpedo and the silver and all that. And I found this article written by Ronald D. White. And I guess he loved this article so much that he credited himself twice for writing the article. Do you really need that much credit, Ronald?